the website shortly. Just have your browser open. Have this in front of you that's on the board, your information frame. Devices put away. I already have a list of people that lose their R stamp already, and we're barely in the start of class. So devices away, earphones off, and let's rock and roll. Yesterday you did example 1 with me. It was crazy. It took like maybe 15 minutes just to do one problem. Today we're going to do example 2, but we're going to go a little quicker. Again, I can care less where you write these examples because I don't collect your notes. I don't want to see your notes. I don't care about your notes. I just make sure you're doing them for your productive stamp. So example 2 now, go ahead and write on your notes anywhere you want. I can care less. I'll give you a minute to write down example 2. This is about a girl named Ingrid. I'm not sure if you know her.
What's her name?
Ingrid. She's going to buy a gazebo for her garden. She's cool. Go ahead and copy this. I'm going to color code this puppy. I'm going to do each mission in a different color. I'm going to do mission A in red. I'll do mission B in blue. Mission C will be in green. Mission D will be in orange. And mission E is going to be in black. Okay? Step by step. This video will be available tomorrow during the quiz, so if you want to review it, I'm going to go very slow. I'm going to take all questions. And tomorrow you're going to show me how awesome of a teacher I am by getting an A on that quiz. Let's do this. It's part A. The cool thing about part A is that we did that for warm-up. Actually, we didn't do it. Mr. Galvez did it for us. So the down payment on this gazebo that Ingrid is going to put is a 20% down payment. Look at it. There it is. Here's a total price. What is 20% of 4,000? Here we go, part A. I'm going to take 4,000 and just multiply it by the pure decimal of 20%. What is the pure decimal of 20%? Smooth that decimal to the left twice, so it's going to be what? 0.2, right? 0.20 or 0.2, same thing. That was easy. Or I could do the part to whole like Galvez did. Or I could just go the straightforward method. Either way, it's going to give you the same answer. We know that. Here we go. So 4,000 times 0.2. 800 bucks. So Ingrid's going to put 800 down cash on this gazebo. That's all she can afford right now. She wants the gazebo, but she can only put in 800 bucks for now. Cool. There's part A. We're done. Part B then is, okay, how much is going to be financed? How much is the bank going to give her so she can take the gazebo home today? That's part B. That's the amount financed. The amount financed is the price minus the down payment. This is basic logic, you guys. Basic life skills. How much is the bank going to lend you now? Thank you. $3,200. The bank's going to give her $3,200, and she's going to pay that $3,200 in small installments, which are pieces every month. All right, A and B was pretty easy. No harm, no foul. A and B is done. 2 missions are done. 3 more to go now. The last 3, parts C, D, and E, are on the formulas for each one of those, believe it or not, are right here. The monthly payment is right up here in the middle. Right? Here's your monthly payment formula. We're going to work on that right now with our calculator. Here's a total amount repaid, and here's the finance charge. These are the last 3 missions, C, D, and E. Okay? Let's do it. So part C is green. All right. Payment is that monstrosity of a formula. I actually wrote it down up here for you guys for tomorrow in case you guys lose your notes or you're just like out of it. This is on your information frame, but I left it right here. So let me write it down here. So monthly payment, I'll put MP for monthly payment. Gracias. Monthly payment equals the principal times the rate times 1 plus the rate to the nth power divided by 1 plus the rate to the nth power minus 1. Again, I told you yesterday this looks a lot scarier than it actually is. Don't run away to your mommy crying. It's going to be okay. All this is pushing buttons. But we first have to identify our P, R, and N. What does P mean? What does R mean here? And what does N mean? Once we identify those three, we're rocking and rolling. Thank you. In other words, what the bank lent us. Not us, Ingrid. What did the bank lend Ingrid? Right. The bank lent Ingrid this much because that's what she couldn't pay. That's your P. The rate, let's see, let me look at my information frame. The rate, notice, is the APR divided by the number of payments per year. Well, there's 12 payments per year, so you're always going to divide it by 12. So the APR divided by 12. APR divided by 12, let's see. What's the APR here? 10%. So write 10% as a pure decimal. That's going to be 0.1, 0.10, divided by 12. Let me do the calculations for us. I got my calculator ready to go. So let's see, watch this. 0.10 divided by 12. I'm going to round, so for our purposes today, round to the third decimal. So I'm looking at the 8. I look to the right of it. The 8 is not 5 regular, so it's going to be 0.008. So for today, just round to the third decimal, okay? So the R, the rate is 0.008. Cool. We know our P, we know our R, now let's figure out our N. How long does Ingrid plan on paying off this gazebo? How many months is she going to pay for? Let's see. There it is, 36 months. She's going to pay off this gazebo in 36 months. Okay, so that's our N. The rest is just calculator button pushing, believe it or not. I'm going to type all this stuff in my calculator. You're going to do it with me. Here we go. So on your Chromebook browser, everybody go to Desmos. I got a veteran student here. So go to your browser. You're going to practice this with me. So this way, tomorrow you can do it on your own. Go to desmos.com. Look at the way I wrote it. And let me see this. So go to desmos.com. Desmos.com. So I'm going to walk around and let me see everyone's screen having this on. Once you get to Desmos.com, go ahead and scroll down. There's a bunch of different calculators. You're not going to graph today. We're not graphing in personal finance. We're going to use a scientific calculator. Look at where it says scientific. Hit that button, and let me see this screen on your screen. Go ahead. I'll walk around. Have it your way. Remember Burger? Decimal. Nice. Not graphing. Oh. Braz is a veteran. Knows what's scientific. Richard's a veteran. What's up? Nice. Tavares is rocking it. Enriquez is rocking it. Avalos is rocking it. Sedano, I'm not sure. Come on, Sedano. Nice, Baeza. Castro's rocking it. Nice. Anaya, nice. Go to the scientific calculator. Bolanos, nice. Ramos, rocking it, rocking it. Got it? You're the man. All right. Here we go. Let's do this. Here we go. So I have the formula right up here. You're going to type it in with me to practice on your own. So let's start with the numerator. P times R times 1 plus R to the nth power. Do it with me. Here we go. P is 3,200. 3,200 times, I like to use the parentheses for times. You can put the times button, it doesn't matter. 0.008, that's R. I'm just following this right. I'm going to leave it up here for even for tomorrow. The R is 0.008. Do that with me. Let me shut the parenthesis. Nice. Pretty easy. No harm, no foul, no blood. We're good. 1 plus R. That's going to be 1 plus 0.008. 1 plus 0.008. Close that parenthesis. Actually, 3 zeros, huh? No, yeah, 2 zeros. Okay. And now it says to the nth power. That's going to be for us 36 months. So 36. So how do you get to the power button? Well, it's right here. The A to the B power button. Hit that, and it allows you to put in any exponent you wish. So I'm going to put to the 36th power. You're doing this with me? Because tomorrow I'm not going to help you on the quiz. Right now is the time to stop and ask me questions if you can't do this. Not tomorrow, right, Bolanos? Right now, phone's away because I got the floor. I'm still in exponent mode. In other words, if I keep, I want to get it out side.
What exponent is that?
36 now. So I'm going to get it out of exponent mode, Anaya. So what I have to do is I got to click to the side of it to the bottom to get it out of exponent mode because it stays on exponent mode if you don't click. Nice. We're on the numerator. Now let's type in the denominator. Let me put the division bar by pressing the division symbol. The denominator now. 1 plus R. That's 1 plus 0.008. Nice. I'll close that parenthesis. Now I'm going to take it again to the 36th power. So A to the B power button. I'm going to get it out of exponent mode. Click to the side and the bottom to get it out of exponent mode. -1, the formula says. -1. So what is Ingrid going to be paying each month? Here we are. Ingrid, for 3 years, that's 36 months, Ingrid will pay $102.66. I'm rounding to the nearest penny. Notice. Ingrid will pay $102.66 every single month for 3 years, and she'll pay off the gazebo. So there's our answer to C, $102.66. Let me minimize that. So this is the mission's done. The monthly payment is $102.66. Questions so far? Got 2 more missions and we're done. Sure. The calculator or what? Got you. Wrong one. There you go. Questions so far? After this, I got you. Hit it. All right, mission C and D, or D and E rather. Let's do this. So there's our monthly payment. Again, phones away. Yeah, I like that. That's good. All right. Part D, I'm going to put in, like I said, I'll put in orange. Okay. So the total payment repaid. Part D. Here we go. Total payment or total repaid. Total amount repaid right here. I have the formula up here. Right, Pimentel? Total amount repaid is number of payments. So total amount repaid. Number of payments. Times monthly payment.
That's the last step?
Well, this is the 4th mission, huh? There's 5 missions. They're all color-coded. The total amount repaid is, what is the total amount of cash that Ingrid's going to pay after the 3 years? How much will she end up paying total? Number of payments times we already know the monthly payment. It's going to be 102.66. Let's rock and roll. The number of payments in 3 years is 36 times monthly payment is 102.66. Right, Pimentel? All that. So let me get my calculator. 36 times 102.66. So poor Ingrid is going to have to pay, in 3 years, have to pay $3,605.76. 3,000, here we go, $695.76. That's the total amount repaid. Gracias. Thank you. Again, I left that formula up here too. These 3 formulas are on your information frame in case you lose it by tomorrow. Don't come. I got you. I got your back right here. And then the last mission is the last formula here, the finance charge. In other words, what's the bank going to get for lending Ingrid that money? How much money is a bank going to take home for lending Ingrid that money for the gazebo? That's the final mission. Lending her the 3. They lent her how much again? Let's see. They lent her that, right? So she can take the gazebo home. How much is the bank going to get? Let's see. That's the last step. Are you sure? All right, I'm color coding in black. The last step here, part E. Finance charge. That's what the bank charges to lend you the money. Finance charge is total amount repaid. Total amount repaid. I'm abbreviating here because I'm getting a hand cramp here. Thank you. Minus the amount financed. Let's do this. Total amount repaid. We just did that for the orange right here. It's right here. She pays this total in the 3 years. So 3,695.76. That's the total amount that Ingrid will repay. Minus, what did the bank lend her? Wait, I said it wait after this. Second time you do this. Say again? Oh, you got to wait. Because you did it last time. Just go to the office when you're done. Amount financed, $3,200, right? Gracias. So the bank makes $495 and how many cents? Off of Ingrid for lending her the cash. Say again? Total. Now every month, when she's paying monthly, we're going to get into exactly that next week. Because every time she pays a 102.66, some of that goes to the what she borrowed, and some of it goes to the bank. It's like there's going to be a table. Divide that? No, because it's a certain percentage per payment. You'll see what I mean. Yeah, hold up. I got you. That's the quiz tomorrow. So the bank makes this off of her. Ingrid pays this after 3 years. Ingrid pays this every month for 3 years. And then Ingrid borrows this to take the gazebo home, the $3,200. And then Ingrid put this as a down payment. No. Yeah, this is her down payment. Okay, so it's all there. I'm gonna put you guys in groups of 2. You're gonna calculate how much I pay for a Porsche. It's right here. With the easel board, marker, and eraser. Right, Razo? Munguia is going to buy a Porsche. The total price, including taxes and fees, is $32,789. That's for a Porsche. He plans on putting 5 down payment because I don't have all the cash right now. He will finance the rest at 3.5% APR for 4 years. In other words, I want to pay this car off in 4 years. Find my monthly payment and the finance charge. Remember, what does a bank make off of me? That's the finance charge. Galvez Lombera, Ramos Bolanos, Anaya Castro. No, you're going to be Enriquez, you and Enriquez. You're going to be catching up. Tavares, you'll be catching up. Magana. Sorry. Magana Castro, get it. Alvarez, Barajas, Pimentel, Richard. You and your partner decide who's going to come and grab the easel board, marker, and eraser. One easel board, one marker, one eraser. One person be the writer, one person be the calculator person. Rock and roll, hit it.